This n8n system runs my entire AI community. What if you never had to welcome a new member by hand again, or chase a single lead, or write the daily update yourself? I run a whole AI community, and most of it I don't even touch anymore. One prompt set the entire thing up. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and my whole job is helping you actually learn and use AI tools in your real work, not just watch demos and forget them by lunch. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact system running my community behind the scenes. 5 little machines all working while I sleep. By the end of this video, I'll show you the one prompt that built it and the open source tool that made it happen. Stick around because the part where it read the news and wrote the post for me is where it gets really good. So let me back up. What am I even using here? It's called n8n. You say it like n8n, and it's a workflow automation tool. Here's the simple version. A workflow is just a chain of steps. Something happens, then n8n does the next thing, then the next thing, then the next. Like dominoes. A new person signs up and boom, the dominoes start falling. Store them, email them, log it, done. No human needed. Now here's why I picked n8n over everything else. Most automation tools box you in. You get a few buttons and that's it. n8n is different. It's open source, which means you can run it yourself and own the whole thing. It connects to hundreds of apps, so your email, your database, your AI model, they all talk to each other in one place. And it has AI built right in. You can drop a smart model into any step. So it doesn't just move data around, it can read, write, sort, and decide. That's the part that changes everything. But my favorite feature, you can build with plain words. Has an AI builder inside it. You type what you want in normal English and it picks the steps, connects them, and sets them up for you. No dragging, no code, just describe the outcome. So how do you start? You go to n8n and you make an account. If you already have one, you log in. If you don't, you register. Takes 2 minutes. Then you're staring at a blank canvas, ready to build. And this is where I did something a little crazy. Instead of building one small thing, I opened the AI builder and typed one big prompt. I asked it to build a full system to run my community, welcome new members, handle leads, post AI news, create content, keep people engaged, all of it. One message. Then I hit go and watched it work. And what came out honestly surprised me. I'll show you exactly what it built in 1 second. Now, before I do, quick thing, because it ties right into what you just learned. If you want to try n8n yourself, the n8n link is sitting in the comments in the description. I'd grab it and open an account while you watch so you can follow along and build your own version of this. It's the easiest way to actually do this instead of just nodding along. And look, if you want the shortcut, this is exactly what we go deep on inside the iProfit boardroom. I've put full n8n walkthroughs in there, the prompts I used to build these workflows, the step-by-step for wiring up your own community system. We run live coaching calls where you can share your screen and I'll help you fix a workflow that's not firing. And there's a roadmap that takes you from a blank canvas to a running system, one piece at a time. If building automations is where you want to be, that's what the boardroom is for. Okay, let me show you what that one prompt actually built. It didn't give me one workflow, it gave me five separate little machines, each with its own job. And before I walk you through them, you need to understand the one thing that ties them all together. n8n has a built-in database now called data tables. Think of it as the memory for the whole system. Every member, every lead, every post, it all gets saved right inside the tool. No outside spreadsheet, no extra service, it just remembers. That memory is what makes the whole thing smart. Before any machine adds a person, it checks that memory first, so nobody ever gets welcomed twice or emailed the same thing over and over. And every time a machine finishes a job, it writes a little note into the log so I can always look back and see exactly what ran and when. That's the quiet backbone holding all 5 together. It's not flashy, but it's the reason I can leave this thing alone and trust it. Okay, the machines. Machine number 1 is member onboarding. Someone joins through my sign up form, n8n, grabs their name and email, checks that memory so nobody gets added twice, and if they're new, it saves them. Then it sends a warm, branded welcome email with a few getting started links. After that email lands, it marks them as welcomed and logs it. So a new person gets a proper welcome the second they join, and I don't lift a finger. Machine number 2 is lead handling, and this one has a brain. When someone shows interest through a form, n8n reads what they wrote. Then it uses an AI model to score them. It gives them a category like hot or warm and a number from 0 to 100. I ran a real lead through it and it came back hot with a score of 88. Then it saved that lead and sent my team a heads up email all on its own. So the good ones don't slip through the cracks. See what's happening? The AI isn't just decoration, it's making a judgment call, the same one I'd have to make by hand in a fraction of a second. Machine number 3 is the one I teased, the daily news digest. Every morning, n8n reads a handful of AI news feeds. It pulls the fresh stories, skips anything it already grabbed before, and hands each new one to the AI to turn into a short, simple post my community can actually read. Then it bundles them into one clean email and sends it out. When I ran it, it pulled in 27 real articles, spotted the 4 that were new, summarized them, and built the digest. I didn't read a single headline myself. Machine number 4 writes content for me. A few times a week, it wakes up and asks the AI to create a batch of fresh posts. A quick tip, a reusable prompt people can steal, a discussion starter to get the community talking. It checks, nothing's a repeat, saves each one as a draft, and emails me the whole batch, sorted by type, so I can glance at it and hit publish. My content calendar basically fills itself. And machine number 5 keeps people warm. On a set schedule, it sends members a friendly nudge, a question to think about, and a little learning task, so nobody joins and then quietly disappears. Now, here's one more thing running through all 5, and it's the real reason I trust this. If an email ever fails to send, the system doesn't just crash and pretend everything's fine. It catches the error, writes it down, and leaves the record honest. So a member never gets marked as welcomed when the welcome never actually arrived. That's the boring stuff nobody shows you. And it's what separates a fun little toy from a system you can actually lean on. So let me give you the tips to do this right, because I made the mistakes so you don't have to. First, don't try to build all 5 machines at once. Start with just one. Get member onboarding working end to end, feel the win, then add the next. Second, when you write your prompt, describe the outcome, not the steps. Don't tell it which buttons to press. Tell it what you want to happen. Welcome new members and email them resources. Let the builder figure out the wiring. Third, use those data tables from day one. That duplicate check is what keeps everything clean. It's the difference between a system that helps you and one that embarrasses you in front of your members. Fourth, plug in your logins after the build, not during. Let it lay out the whole shape first. Then connect your email and your AI model at the end. It's calmer that way. And fifth, give every step a clear name. When you've got 5 machines running, welcome email send beats a random label every single time. Future, you will say thank you. That's it. That's the system. One prompt, 5 machines, running my community while I focus on the stuff only a human can do. So here's what to do next. Go grab that n8n link in the comments and the description and open your account. I'll be honest with you here, those are affiliate links, so if you sign up through them, I earn a small commission if you decide to grab it. It's genuinely the tool I use for this, and getting in today means you can start building your first machine tonight instead of someday. And when you do start building, you're going to hit a wall. A step won't fire, an email won't send, the AI will score something weird. That's normal, and that's exactly where most people quit. Don't be most people. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we've got the n8n tutorials that walk you past those exact walls, the coaching calls where you can bring your broken workflow and we fix it together live, the roadmaps that keep you moving, and the prompts that already work so you're not starting from a blank page. It's over 4,000 members inside the boardroom, all building this kind of thing side by side. If you're ready to stop watching and start building, come join us at aiprofitboardroom.com.